Welcome to Insight Schools of California. My name is Heather Hathaway, and I'm going to be your family engagement coordinator this year. So I wanted to talk to you briefly about what that is. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, so let's get to it. Again, that's Family Engagement Coordinator, FEC. Got that? Family Engagement Coordinator, FEC. I'm part of what's known as the FAST team, Family Academic Support Team, here at Insight Schools of California. We are a support team for families and also do a lot of fun and engaging things. A little bit about me. Again, I'm Mrs. Hathaway. I have two awesome boys. This is Hudson, he's 14. This is Narendra, he's 7. He's a riot. This is my husband, David. He also works for online education. And this is my 8th year in K-12 online education and my 19th year in education. And my husband and I are musicians. We love making music together. Make sure you share your hobbies and interests with me. I love traveling and making music. Those are my two biggest hobbies. So I am a singer and I love to sing. So I'm assuming I'm going to have a couple of musicians out there too watching this. So make sure you reach out to me. These are all the instruments that the two of us combined together play. I don't play all these. My husband plays most of those. And I have traveled completely all the way around the world. So that is fun. Don't get to travel as much right now because I have two boys that, I can't drag them across the world with me yet, but someday. Back to the FEC role. Remember what that stands for? Family Engagement Coordinator. That's right. So some of the things that I'll be doing and helping out with are the assemblies. So look for those on your Class Connect. Make sure you come. It's a great opportunity to socialize with other students and hang out and talk and share your ideas with me and your hobbies and interests. Clubs, I'll be telling you more about that. Outings, we all love to get out. You know you do. Don't hide behind your computer. I'll schedule and organize some cool stuff for us to do. Help desk, I'll be there waiting for you to pop in and ask me any question that you need. I can help with all of the different systems that you'll need help with. And many, many more things that I will help out with, including graduation. Yes. This is my absolute favorite thing about this role and this job in general is graduation. Like, I seriously need a box of tissues at graduation. I cry every single graduation because it's just, you all have worked so hard. So many students have just come here and have just tried their best, and there they are. We've worked with them. We've gone through so many different things, and there we are. We see you crossing the finish line, and it's just amazing. So I'll get more details to our 12th graders about graduation. And speaking of graduation, dun, 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 it's super important that you get to graduation, right? So what do you have to do every day? Log in, no matter what grade level you're in. Log in every day, complete work every day, attend class every day. You see all those class connects on your schedule? Go to them. You know why? Because your teachers help you. Because they're awesome and they care and they're there for you. So that's how you do this. You log in, you work, you go to class, just like you would at a normal school. Check your email. You know, there's lots of stuff going on. I'm going to send you lots of communications. Your teachers send you lots of communications. Check your phone. We're texting you. We want to hear from you. You have to do all these things so that we can get you that. Did you guess it? Yeah. High school diploma. Diploma, graduation cap. I want to see you tossing it up high in the air. I don't know. Are we allowed to do that? Maybe. We'll check on that. Okay, so anyways, again, I'm Mrs. Hathaway. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. Tell me about what your hobbies and interests are. I want to know. I need to know. There's my email. There's my phone. And reach out to me. And I can't wait to touch base with you during one of our live sessions, our assemblies. You'll get more information about it and know. And I am going to enjoy working with every single one of you. And like I said, come to those fun things that I have planned. You'll hear more about it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Log into your class and do your work.